gently on this quiet street. Whispers of the wind carry my heart away. Even the lights outside are dimming softly. Memories within me fade into winter's gray. When distant bells begin to ring, will someone's laughter echo near? Thinking of a name I hold so dear, I walk alone through this night so clear. Christmas nights of my childhood, so warm and bright. Stories whispered in my mother's gentle embrace. Though like the snow, those days have disappeared, their light still lingers in my heart, a glowing trace. When distant bells begin to chime, will someone's touch reach out this time? Thinking of a name, yeah, I hold so near, I wander through this winter's fear. In the cold air lies our cherished past, frozen moments, yet their warmth will last. The times we shared, now a soft refrain, a winter night song etched in memory's chain. When distant bells resound above, will they carry someone's love? Thinking of a name that lingers near, I dream through this night crystal clear. Snow falls gently on this quiet street, dreaming